What's up guys, just arrived to LAX and tonight we are staying here at Regency because we wanna save some time. Tomorrow we have a flight to Puerto Rico. Our luggage is ready, let's do it. So, and this elevator working only with a key.
Yeah.
You should place your key here and then push button.
Tomorrow we are flying to Puerto Rico, San Juan, and we have a flight at 8 a.m. And we just came to Hyatt Regency LAX and we're gonna spend the night here before our flight, right?
Yes.
We always come to this hotel before our flights because it's super convenient to beat the traffic because LA gets really crazy with the traffic in the mornings. They're also super clean and they have the best breakfast in not just LAX but you know a very decent one for LA area. And this camera is super heavy, so I'm like lifting my arms. It's like a workout.
Yeah.
Right?
I do more workouts than you. Look.
Yeah.
I'm professional pick and packer. Look.
So we're not gonna be doing like a full review of this hotel, but we are gonna show you like a quickie tour, yeah?
Yeah.
The hotel because it's like 10 p.m. already.
Let's check this room.
Yeah, let's go. We always get this.
You should.
We always get this suite. I think that's exactly the same that we had last time, so I feel like coming back home, right?
Yeah.
We know the layout.
Usually in hotel you have like some guy who carry your luggage, but right now it's my work, so
Yeah, it's self-bellboy right now,
yeah,
right?
yeah, I'm self-bell boy. So let's do quickly tour. What we have here, this one mini kitchen, like a wine fridge, we have coffee maker, we have like a thing, kitchen thing, and we just move this art because like this is a table,
Yeah.
and this art is
To eat here.
yeah. So what else? Big couch, working table, it's very comfortable.
They have 2 TV screens, look
Yeah.
guys, but I'm not sure how you can separate those because basically there's no like a wall or door here, right? And my favorite part here is actually the view because you get the runway view.
Show me, show me.
You don't believe me? You see over there we have planes. So this is one of the best places for those plane spotting. Yeah, and over there is a parking lot where you can just go outside on the top floor and it's gonna be an amazing view for the sunset and airplanes landing and taking off. It's really beautiful.
And this chair is my favorite.
It's so comfy, right?
Yeah. So we have like a king bed here. Just one bathrobe for me and one sleepers on for me. We have a safe here. We have an extra blanket.
What?
So we have like this bed.
Take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest. 'Cause I'm a mess.
But the only one issue with this door, it's totally not soundproof, and when you sit in the restroom you should be quiet.
So you don't like the sliding door?
Yeah, and I don't like also this mirror because like it's a little bit close. But overall, I like this hotel, guys.
You're so happy, you like it. So you are just waiting for the French toast?
Yes, French toast here is my favorite.
Cheat meal.
Cheat meal, yeah.
Flight cheat meal.
Yeah, flight. What do you think like about gym? It's open right now?
I don't think so.
Probably this is our favorite hotel in LAX and we always feel like at home here, you know. Everything is perfect, everything is clean. I don't need to check like under the couch. I know like it's 100% like clean. We can check it.
Is this an advertisement?
No, it's not advertisement. Look at this.
How many times have you checked it?
So it's like really clean. Management of this hotel do great work. So it's not advertisement. I share with you my opinion about this hotel. So the maximum rate
For suites is almost 800. It's not a presidential suite, so it's
Yeah.
$800. So we'll be parking our car here in LAX and we'll just take a shuttle to airport, which is like super convenient because we'll spend just like 5 minutes on that. And actually we have special websites where you get discounted rates for parking, because usually the parking here would be like $40 per night, but I don't remember its name, but you can just like Google discounted parking in LAX. And basically we are staying here for almost, well, I mean, we are leaving our car in LAX for almost 3 weeks until we are coming back from Puerto Rico, and we are paying just $5 per day. So it's like really great deal that you can get online only. So these hotels, they have just huge parking lots and they are selling them online, like just parking spots for much cheaper.
So guys, stay tuned and watch our next video from Puerto Rico and from flight, yeah? So if you wanna see our flight to Puerto Rico, leave a comment below when we shoot this flight.
Yeah, and if we have enough time, we maybe will visit one of the lounges. We are flying with American Airlines and they have a premium Admiral's Club lounge, and if we have enough time we might stop by and show you what it looks like right now, because that's the only one that we have open in LAX at this moment. That's it. I want to sleep.
Guys, subscribe to our channel and see you next video. We go to bed.
Yeah, we should sleep.
Good morning guys, we got our breakfast and they don't deliver it to room. You should go downstairs and get it.
Yeah, but they open at 6 a.m. so if you have a morning flight like we do, you have enough time to go and have the best pancakes in the LAX. Let's show what we get.
Yeah. So we have a pancakes, we have a French toast, we have a maple syrup, and we have a butter. And we'll make our own coffee. The food is so delicious.
Yeah.